What's good, everybody? Y'all know who it is. It's your boy, the Grandmaster Troll. Not giving you the best trolling content today. Well, I am gonna troll a little bit, but I gotta tell y'all a story. And as y'all can see by the title, this one is gonna be a doozy. But I gotta tell you how my ex YouTube girlfriend destroyed and thrashed my car. Y'all know how these BWs are when they get upset, they get mad, they wanna take a baseball bat to your car or your vehicle, whether if you driving a Dodge Challenger, Charger, or even if you got a beat up hoopty, they find some way to slash your tires, key your car. Well, your boy Grandmaster Troll, unfortunately, I was a victim of that. So I know y'all want to see the damage of the car. I know y'all want to see the car. I'm going to give you a full walk around. And I'm also going to give you a small little vlog in this video too. This will be my last video talking about auto stuff on this channel. So if you like the auto content, go subscribe to my Grandmaster Troll racing channel. I got some good content coming out next month just about cars. So if cars are something that excites you, please support your boy, subscribe to the channel. But let me show you guys the damage that was done to the car. All right, so we're looking at it right here. So y'all know how these BWs do. Y'all know how these BWs do. They will take a baseball bat to your car. They will take a baseball bat to your car. So let me give you a breakdown of what happened that fateful night. What happened that fateful night? You know, you get into a little argument with your girlfriend. They calling you over and over. I don't argue with Negroes. I barely argue with white people. I'm definitely not arguing with Negroes. So they call you over and over. I picked up the phone, and when I picked up the phone, I turned into the angry man. Now, though you guys are going to ask, GMT, how did you turn into the angry man? Y'all remember when Angry Man's girl checked him on the phone and he had nothing to say? Well, that's what happened to me, because when I picked up the phone, all I heard was a baseball bat hitting my car. So let me go ahead and play y'all the video of the Angry Man. Hello? Earth to Angry Man? Earth to Angry Man? What you got to say about that, Angry Man? Oh, the cat got your tongue, huh? Look at. Yes. When that happened to me, I had the phone. I was just like this, just listening. I was on the phone, just listening to the baseball bat just hit my car, and somebody cussed me out, and I'm just sitting on the phone about to go to bed. Just came home from a hard day's work, and I'm just on the phone listening to somebody take a bat to my car because my car is on the other side of the country and I'm all the way in California, so there ain't really nothing I can do. I'm just on the phone listening to a baseball bat hit my car. But let me give you guys the walk around of what happened. So she done took out the front windshield, then she hit the side quarter panels. Oh, it gets worse. Then she took the baseball bat to the whole tail light panel. Then she took out the other quarter panel there. then she took out the side blinkers, the side blinker markers on the left and right side, the driver and passenger side. She even took the baseball bat to the headlights. I mean, when I saw this, I felt just like my guy Strike. I felt just like my guy Strike on the movie Clockers. Let me go ahead and play you guys that movie scene real quick. Whole time I'm on the phone just listening to the damage just like this. I mean, just completely destroyed my car. But you know, they can't keep a good brother down. They can't keep a good brother down. So I got the car moved to a shop. Now the car sat in that shop for about 10, 11 months. I gave him a lot of money to fix the car. So when I took the flight out there, you know, I had to take the flight out during COVID times, you know. Flew out there. I get to the shop. He wasn't at the shop yet. So I walk around the shop. I find my car and he hasn't repaired the car yet. So I had to wait 45 minutes for an hour for him just to come to the shop. Then it took him 8 hours just to fix all the stuff he was going to fix. And once he fixed the car, I began my drive home from South Carolina all the way back to California. I didn't make it because I got to Memphis, Tennessee, and I had stalling problems that started in me in the state of Mississippi. By the time I got to Memphis, Tennessee, I knew what the problem was, so I found an AutoZone. I got some fuel injectors, which I thought would fix the problem, but I needed 6, and they only had 1. So when they did that, I also bought a fuel pump. They put the fuel pump in and everything because there was something wrong with the fuel. It was stalling out. It had power issues. That didn't fix the car because I needed more injectors. So I got the car shipped from Memphis, Tennessee, all the way to California, and I had to take another flight home. But with that said, I want you guys to witness the rebirth of the Fiero, because you can't hold a black man down. So all you people who've been supporting me, this is where some of the stuff is going. I'm really trying to do this auto vlog thing. So like, share, subscribe, let me know, and enjoy the rest of the vlog. What's good, everybody? Y'all know who it is. It's your boy, the Grandmaster Troll, here to give you another vlog. But anyway, today, I'm finally here to pick up my car. I'm looking at it right now, and I'm very disappointed what I'm seeing because I gave my man Bruce money to fix the car, and after a year, he didn't even touch the car. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick gander at it right now, but he didn't even do any of the work. So what was he supposed to do? He was supposed to put the quarter panel in. He was supposed to put the light bar in. So he hasn't really done much of the work this moment right now. So he said he's going to be here in about 30 minutes and he's going to start working on the car. He said it should take him about 2 hours. So we'll see how everything goes. So stay tuned. I'm getting my 1986 Fiero fixed that my ex-girlfriend had trashed. So we're bringing it back to life right now. My man Neil. Let me tell you about my man Neil right here. When we talk about elite car mechanics and car mechanic business, my man Neil right here, he has saved my butt so many times. I'm pretty sure you guys been in a situation where you going to work, your car's broke down, and now you gotta worry about getting to work. But my man Neil right here, he's able to come to you and fix your car. So whether if your battery's dead, you need to change a tire, or your starter is out on your car, Neil will come to your house, so you don't have to worry about calling a tow truck and trying to have your car towed to a mechanic shop, or trying to drive your car in limp mode to a mechanic shop and worry about it breaking down. So right now they're fixing the fuel injectors on the Fiero right now, so you can see Neil doing some good work right here.
Yes sir, connecting all the injectors. Just got the injectors put in. To get this done, gotta take out the intake, disconnect couple of hoses, and get the injector out. Got 2 bolts, and you gotta take the whole piece out. We just did it and put the injectors back in. So now we're setting the injectors back into where it gotta be. We're connecting the cables, and we gotta put back the intake. You can see the intake right here. So that's how the intake look like. Got 8 bolts on them. That's all you gotta disconnect. Make sure if you wanna do this, you know what you're really doing, because how technical to get it done. It's nice knowing you. High five.
Yeah, so he's doing the ejectors right now. We're gonna do the battery, but the thing about the Fiero, it catches a lot of mechanics off guard because the engine, as you can see, is in the back of the car. So it's a little difficult, a little bit different, something from the old school, but it's a car I like. But my man Neil, he's here. I'm gonna try to get him to sponsor the channel. Because I got a lot of jobs for him to do. So my man Neil, he's gonna be taking a whole lot of my money, but he's a real great mechanic. So Neil, if people want to get their cars work done, where can they contact you at?
They can contact me on my Facebook. I'm a Chris Wandoro. I'm a Wandoro. I'm a Chris, start with KKRISS, or you can call me on 510-677-7368. 510-677-7368. Thank you.
So you know where to find my man Neil. I'm gonna put all this information down in the description, links to his Facebook. So if you're in the Bay Area, California, you need to call my man Neil. Peace. They got it to start. It sounds good. Might need some other stuff worked on. In the fiber, we got the battery change, so we're gonna see if the battery works. And look, I got voltage. And here we go. So my man Neil, he came through. You need to talk to my man Neil. He'll get your car right. But I'm gonna take the Fiero on the drive to see if it'll actually hold its power. So we're gonna try that. Stay tuned. So that's pretty much gonna end it for that vlog. When I drove the Fiero, it kept stalling again, so it still needs a couple more things to get fixed. Let me know in the comments section what you think about the situation. Like the video, share the video, and be sure to subscribe to my Grandmaster Troll channel. With that said, it's your boy GMT. Peace.